Hi guys, welcome to my playlist called C# for Beginners. In this lesson, we're gonna see how to install .NET SDK and set up our environment. So first we're gonna need .NET SDKs, yeah, .NET SDK. And in this course, I'm gonna use .NET SDK 8, so you can choose other versions also, but this, basically they are the same, so search for that and from official Microsoft websites we're gonna install that. As you can see, there's for Windows and macOS. I'm using the Windows, so I'm gonna install Windows version 1, and it starts installing. And after installation, as you can see, there will be this kind of file, .NET SDK file, and you're gonna click and install that to your device. After that, if you want to check whether the .NET is installed to your device or not, you can write let .NET version, and as you can see, it's .NET 8. So if you also see this kind of thing, congratulations, you installed .NET SDK successfully. After that, we need our editors, yeah? So I'm gonna recommend two editors, Visual Studio Code and Visual Studio. If you are using Microsoft Windows, I'm gonna recommend using Visual Studio with purple icon. But if you are using macOS, I'm gonna recommend to use Visual Studio Code with that blue icon. So I have both of them, and I think you can install both of them without any difficulties. So in Visual Studio, I'm going to show you how to create new console app. First, you're going to click create new project, and then select console app, and then next, and then give name to your project. And then that's it. As you can see, Visual Studio already found the SDK that we installed. So as you can see, that's our first console app in C#. So if you're using macOS and Visual Studio, I'm going to show you how to create new project. So you need to create new folder, maybe console, and then inside it, you need to open terminal. And inside that, you need to write .NET new console and console app 1 or console app just. Yes, that's it. And as you can see, here's the console app with program CS and console app CS project. And we're gonna enter console app, and you can open it inside Visual Studio Code like that. And as you can see, our first program is created in Visual Studio Code also. So that's for today, and in the next lessons, I'm going to show you how to write your first program in C#. See you later. Take care.